We are here, we are here, we are here. What is an amazing day? Everyone, this is Cam Jones, Ethics Daily Analysis. Disclaimer, I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up PLU, USD. Take a look at what's going on in the market. Price action. Last candle in the market, only in the candle market in the monthly time frame, is a doji. So we can see prices sitting right on this top end of this doji. The market is look like in an uptrend. That doji is a bullish candle, but we'll identify we walk down. Let's draw it out. Let's use our horizontal raise. So we can see that price is actually in a range. Price action highest, highs, price action lows, lowest lows. And we can see the midpoint in the middle. So let's try to gauge the midpoint from the top to the bottom. All right, so let's walk down the time frame and see what we see, what's going on. Headed down to weekly time frame, monthly time frame, weekly time frame is identifying the same thing. Dojis, same size. Okay, now we're on a daily time frame. Now we see a push down to the market. So let's walk over to price. See what's going on. Price action. Last candle market is a doji. Second last candle as well as a doji. Longer wick to that top. Third to last candle, bearish candle, hammer. Third, fourth to last candle, doji. Fifth to last candle is doji. Fifth to last candle look like the same candle we see on the monthly time frame. That push down with the monthly time frame is the third candle, bottom of that wick. So we can see that price consolidated. So start off at a high, consolidated, could have been a retest. You identify as we walk down, market pushed down, came back to retest, and it's just in that area of consolidation. So it like it did a break and retest. That is actually like it's on the break and retest of the market breaking, coming back to retest at that second last candle and then pushing down for that price action candle. Price action, price is still in area of consolidation. It has to break the second last candle to see if it breaks out. It has to break this level here. At least get a closeout, nice body size candle or a pattern that's going to identify in that market that's going to push that market up or down. If not, that market will continue sideways. So some type of patterns we can see in that market is that first leg. Market could break back up, retest, and work its way up, incline W. We can also get, we do see a break here. We do have a retest. We haven't identified it because we don't see the opposite color. Well, as we walk down the time frame, we'll see that probably. And then the market's pushed down. So we can see how far this market's going to push down. That doesn't happen. We know that market's going to consolidate sideways at that area of, is actually on second level lows. Let's walk down the time frame and see what we see. Headed down to a 4 hour. Price action candle is a doji. Market's indecisive, working its way sideways. Second last candle is a inverted hammer. Bullish hammer. So let's read the structure, see if we can find what's going on. So we do see the break and retest of that area. So this is the market breaking in red. Market came back to retest multiple times, push back down, push back up, push back down, and stopped at that midpoint of that area of second level lows. So market looked like it came from a double top and it pushed down from near price. So near price is coming from a double top and it stopped actually at a midpoint. So we're waiting for the breakout of this area here. So we're going to see what we see as we walk down this time frame. And let's see if the market pushes up in this area, because if we respect, let's see what we see. We may see that first leg, second leg, market's at that third leg, fourth leg, market's at the retest. Currently, market could push up. If not, it can be respected for multiple pushes to that top. If it's near price, we see two pushes. So that'll be first leg, second leg, third leg. Market's at the retest, so market's still on that first, second, third. First, second, third. Market's between that third and fourth leg. The fourth leg hasn't really pressed down. It's really at that center, 1, 2, 3 of that third leg. We're looking for a pattern of form to see that that market's going to push down. Headed down to a 3 hour time frame. Price action candle doji, market consolidating. Let's see what else we see. So we see that consolidation, dojis, last 4 candles, got some inverted hammers in it, bearish and bullish. Patterns trying to form. Now we can see the double top is coming from. Okay, so market spiked up once, market spiked up twice, market spiked up a third time because it's like a double retest in this area. Market pushed down, market spiking up for that fourth. We at that fourth push, so we're going to identify, we're going to see what's going to happen because if that market pushed up for that fourth time and break out, we can see that that market is respecting that double bottom in that area here, which would be first, second, third, and then market's gone. So if it's not respected by that area, that market's working its way for a downtrend. It's the first leg. There's multiple pushes at this top. So first, second, third, fourth, market came back to retest, and the market pushes down. So we can see the market price is in that midpoint of that area. Headed down to the 1. Side by side consolidation dojis. 45 minutes of doji. So that market's still just consolidating in that area of that range that we created on that higher time frame. Markets is just bouncing on around the top end of that high area. We got a retest here, so market came back to retest previous areas in here with that second last candle. So market spiked up once, spiked up twice, pushed down, retest this area here, and it's sitting right here, still at this high. It will almost look like a triple bottom if it breaks. If it doesn't break out, it'll be double bottom in a retest. Headed down to 30, price action, second last candle, third, fourth, they all dojis. Market just in that range of consolidation. Of course, identify a nice clean break for this market to really push down. You may want to see, what we want to see is price breaks these wicks in this area. You get a clear break of these wicks, body breaks out below that. As we walk down the time frame, you'll probably see the break and retest. The market does what it do. Okay, so market like is spiking back up. We have a pattern here. Okay, that's the engulfing pattern. Market is still didn't close out yet. On that 15-minute time frame, price action candle is a bullish candle, inverted hammer. Let's see what's going on. So if that market's going to really push up from that area here, so market's hanging around a midpoint of that consolidation area. It bounced multiple times. So let's draw it out. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up. So it's like a triple bottom retest. We're going to see that market's going to break up. So if it doesn't, market price going to hit this resistance multiple times as it already did in this area once, twice, 3 times, maybe 4. And the market could be pushing up that 5th time. So this will be the last time if this side really kind of can't identify yet. We probably can identify on a lower time frame. But if this candle pushes up at that 5th time and it doesn't break, that market's coming down from 5 pushes to that top. Headed down to 5 minute. Market's at price actions at a small candle, just pushed up. So side by side, just change it to consolidation. Okay, so that's a retest. So market doing that pattern of first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest. Market pushed up again, and then so XO this out. This is the midpoint. So all this is on the same level. What we're paying attention to is what happened at this lower price. What happened at this lower price is some type of double bottom. So coming down in red is the first leg, coming up in green is the second leg. But this green candle with that spike down, that should be a double bottom in that area here. The market pushed up for that W formation and got the retest right next to price action. At price action with the second last candle side by side as we currently see. Now we try to see it first leg, second leg. These 2 dojis is the retest third leg. Market pushed up fourth. All this is all that's retest area. We didn't get a clear break. Headed down to 1 minute doji. So market is consolidating. Need to wait till engulfing pattern. It's really going to engulf these wicks of a body to break down to push that market up. Very important information, guys. Please review and study Forex pattern cheat sheet. Click on images. Also study breakout retest strategy. Click on images. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. PLUSD.